Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I have a quick head-to-head unboxing for you. So we've got in this corner the IPSY Plus, $25, 5 full-size items. And in this corner, like there's corners, the BOXYCHARM regular base box for $25, 5 full-size products. In the beauty subscription world, these are probably the two that you can give a most like even comparison. And I just got this one today and I got the other a couple days ago, so I figured this was the perfect time. There's a hair in my eye. I did a couple TikToks doing this makeup if you want to see really quick. Let's start with the IPSY Plus. So of course with this one you get the bag, so you get one little like extra item. Honestly, I don't even count it. Like sometimes they're very cute and nice to have, other times, you know, it's just a lot of bags. But I do think that this print is really cute. I did do my IPSY double unboxing on April 1st. I literally got it up so early, so I have my gifted IPSY Plus and my regular IPSY bag if you want to see those. So let's quickly open. We've got the Item Beauty Lip Quip Moisturizing Lip Oil. Ooh, so here is what that looks like. I'm definitely into lip oils, moisturizing lip products. Item Beauty has become a favorite of mine already. This setting spray, one hit, I use pretty much every single day right now until I run out of it. So I love that. This looks like it has a pretty like kind of like cherry-ish color. I do have on a very thin liquid lip from NARS, but I'm just gonna pop a little. Ooh. Oils can sometimes break down your liquid lips, so I wouldn't do that if you know, are wanting it to last a long time. But lip oils are also one of my favorite ways when you've worn a liquid lip for a few hours and it's getting dry and cracked. This really just melts it all together and it gives you a more creamy finish. So I love them, but definitely gonna be so nice on its own, and I'm very excited for this one. Next up we got this, I think it's pronounced Misho. This is the Nail Lacquer Duo. This is a tin-free nail lacquer, so it has better ingredients than your typical, and it is the Luxe Lacquer Duo. So here it is in the box. Also, let me know if you follow IPSY like religiously. I noticed when they were going to have their add-ons on the 2nd of the month that there was one of these nail polishes that was a really pretty like mint, well, kind of minty bluish kind of color, and I saw it as a spoiler, but I immediately went because I wanted to add that on, and I didn't see that as an option. So let me know if you guys, did I miss something, or maybe it just sold out really quick, but I feel like it was supposed to be there and then it wasn't. Anyway, I feel like these two colors are really cute. This color reminds me of an OPI shade called My Chihuahua Bites. I used to get it on my toes back when I used to get pedicures, which honestly I low-key like kind of hate getting pedicures, so I don't because my feet are so ticklish. So I just do my own personally, and these are really pretty colors. Almost kind of like Valentine's Day-ish, but honestly you could wear either color and be like super cute on its own. So I'm not mad at this. I actually have a few of these, and I think these are the cutest little nail polish bottles. I kind of feel like I need to clear out so much of my nail polish, but every time I go to declutter, like I get rid of a bunch, but I still have like this massive load of nail polishes, a lot of which are kind of older, so I don't know, but I really like this brand. Like the formula is nice, the colors are nice. Next up we got Juice Beauty Prebiotics Tartaric and Iris. This is an instant flash facial. I have had pretty good experiences with Juice Beauty. They are kind of a cleaner brand. They do have some organic ingredients. I know that for the longest time you've been able to get them at Ulta, and there was a couple products from them that I've used that I've really loved, and I think back, I'm like, oh, I really like that product. So I'm pretty excited for this too. 2 to 3 times a week, leave on for 2 to 3 minutes to get full exfoliating results. So obviously it looks like a chemical exfoliation, be a flash facial. That's going to be something that you put on for a few minutes and that's it. So I'm very excited to try this out. We also got from Pixi by Petra Flawless Beauty Primer. This is a hydrating glow primer in this little tube right here. I actually used some of my points also to get one of these, so I have a dupe of it. So hopefully I love it, or I can always share. I tend to share because primers are something that I have a lot of that I like and don't go through quickly. So here it is on my hand. Oh, that looks pretty. I feel like this is a nice little summery type of base. It gives a glow, but it's not like incredibly luminous and glowy if you want something a bit more subtle. And I can imagine this will be pretty on its own too. It is a little bit darker than my skin, so I'm not sure how this is gonna look, but it says it adds a radiant looking glow. So very basic hydrating glow primer. So it hydrates the skin, gives you a glow, and primes for makeup. So I like PIXY a lot. It's a little bit more affordable, but still some really good products. One last product, another one from Item Beauty. So this is the Fast Pass Natural AHA Cleanser for oily and combo skin. I do have drier skin, but I think I've said this so many times, but during the summer I will definitely be using more products for combo or oilier skin. It gets so very hot and humid here that I will produce a little bit more oil as the seasons change, and my skin just tends to produce a little bit more oil then as well. Natural AHAs are just going to, you know, lightly, gently exfoliate. So you don't want to double up on too much of this, you know, you want to be careful. But for me, I love it. My skin can withstand a good bit of exfoliation, so I'm very excited for this. And like I said, Item Beauty is like one of my new favorite brands. So all in all, I'm very excited for all of these items. Brand wise for me, this is a really good bag. I like every single brand that I've gotten. So again, Item Beauty cleanser, Item Beauty lip oil, we got the Juice Beauty exfoliator, Flash facial, PIXY primer, and then our nail duo. And you get 2 colors in this, which is really cool. So that's our IPSY Plus. Now on to our BOXYCHARM box. As I said, I've just received this. I do kind of like that they give you the card with the information here. You usually get a card in the IPSY that has like other info on it, but it doesn't actually tell you values. And that's something that I kind of appreciate, so I like having this. I mean, if you're already going to, you know, use some paper and put it in here, but of course they have it where you can look at it on your profile as well. So BOXYCHARM's theme is sweet treats. So let's see. First up, this is the Kinder Glow Highlight Palette. Kinder Beauty, but it's KNDR. Developed in the UK, made in China. So here is the outside box. Right off the bat, I'm not like the most excited for this, but I could love it even though it's just something new to me. So here's the packaging. It's a little weird looking. It's got all these little golden ladies on it. I don't know. This one has like almost a bluish kind of look to it, silvery blue. This one looks like it might be well suited. What does that smell? So I don't know, right off the bat, I'm not like falling for this, but I'm gonna give it a swatch because A, I've never tried the brand, and you know, you wanna try new things, but also I don't really wanna pass it on to someone. Oh, okay. So like the little brownish flecks in this one, the way that they've mixed with this icy, almost hint of bluish is to create this really beautiful color. So okay, I'm gonna take that back. The other one's got a different texture to it. This one feels like a very soft, and it feels like the shimmers kind of spread throughout, versus this one, I feel like the shimmer is just every little piece and part of the pigment and of the formula is glowy. This one is kind of like not all the way through, if that makes sense. So they're both really pretty. I feel like I could definitely wear both of those. Let's swatch the other two. Okay, that's getting a little dark for me, and then this other one's obviously going to be a lot darker, but I have a hate-love relationship with this because it would almost be nicer if you got 4 shades for like fair skin or deep skin, but in this instance they can put this in the box and everyone will be able to wear a color. So I've got 2 for me and then 2 for our medium to deep skin gals. So in that respect, I really appreciate that it's something for everyone. I do think that this is really, really beautiful. I am going to try this, and yeah, I've got to know more about that because that one shade is just whew. Next up, we have Monarch Lash Pack. This is Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics. I've not heard of them either. It looks like they're in Miami. You get 2 lashes and a lash applicator. So this is kind of nice. Since I have this, I will go ahead and tell you guys that the highlighting palette's only $15. Very, very affordable. So even though I can only use 2 shades, it's only 15 bucks. So, you know, if I were buying it, it wouldn't be so bad. The Flirtatious Look Cosmetics Monarch Lash Pack is $38. That's a little pricey. If they are good quality lashes, it will be a perfectly fine price point because you get a lot in here, 2 pairs of lashes and a lash applicator. So I'm gonna give you a little close-up view of what these look like. They look like a very pretty style. They have some like layers to the wispiness, which I'm gonna try to show you. maybe if I show you on my backdrop, I like how it's not all one layer. You can see like a little dimension in the flutteriness of the lashes. It looks like the top pair is a little flared at the edges. Bottom pair seems a little bit more full all the way across. Lash applicator, you can't go wrong with a tool. So this actually looks pretty good. I mean, I've not used this brand before, but I am wearing lashes all the time now. Pretty much anytime I do my makeup, I'm wearing lashes. I don't know what it was, like it just switched in my head that I want to wear lashes every time I do makeup, and so I do. I don't know. So anyway, let's go to the next. We have a Mallee Ever Color Shadow Stick. I did not know that Mallee Beauty was still around. It says this is extra velvet. So this goes for $25. Honestly, I've had some Mallee stuff in the past. Oh, this is like it might be matte, but I have never really found shadow sticks that I really loved. I feel like no matter the formula, I haven't tried them all, so of course there's probably some out there, but all the cream formula of shadow that I've tried creases and gathers in the crease of my eye because my eyes are a little teensy bit hooded, but so much so that it sits in that crease, you know, so much of the time that I'm wearing it that it always kind of gathers. So I don't know, I might try this. It's Timeless Taupe, so it looks like it's a matte cream shadow stick, which is a really pretty neutral taupe. I mean, taupe is such a versatile color, and for me would be a great transition. This would also be, if the formula is good and does not crease on me, it would be good for a very simple and quick look. Throw this in the crease in the outer corner, blend it out, a little shimmer on the lid, or even just to create the shadow, and that's it, to give dimension to the eyelid. You could definitely use this. So my only thing is, does it crease or not? If it doesn't, I'll be happy with it, but I do think that $25 is pretty high. I think like even Laura Mercier and Lancome, like that's their kind of price point. And personally, I've never considered Mallee to be quite as up there in quality just from what I've tried, but it's been quite a while since I've tried their stuff, so it could have been much improved since I tried some stuff out. My last two products are definitely more exciting than what I've seen so far. So we've got the Pharmacy Honey Grill Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. I love pharmacy products, so I will never ever be anything other than ecstatic to get a pharmacy product in a subscription box. I love the quality of their stuff. Unless I'm crazy, I'm pretty sure I do not have Honey Grail. So this will be a nice addition. I did recently start using their new serum and I love it so far. This one goes for 48 bucks. And then finally we have the Touch in Sol Icy Sherbet. I always want to say sherbet, but it's sherbet. Anyway, primer. This is a silicone-free and cooling primer. It's in a jar that you would assume is like skincare if you didn't know, but this is just a primer. So I'm gonna just try this on my hand because I'm very curious how it feels. Oh, this is a very, look, this is an interesting texture. Like, it's like semi-solid. That's crazy. Oh. Oh! When you look at this, you would think that this is going to feel like silicone, but it's silicone free. This is Witchcraft. It's very, very fragrant. Okay, I wish it wasn't so fragrant, but I'm very happy with this because this is crazy. It looks, and when you first touch it, it looks and feels like it's going to be made of silicone, and yet not at all. Like when you rub it in, I mean, can you see that? That's a pretty big little chunk of it, and it just like disappears and yet smooths the skin. This is Witchcraft. So I'm very excited for this one. Honestly, it just feels insane and very nice. Okay, I'm very excited to use this the next time I do my makeup. The packaging is gorgeous. I love that too. This box started out like, but at the end I'm like, yes. There's a couple items in this box that I'm not super crazy about. I think because I'm excited for every product in my IPSY, I have to think that my IPSY is a little bit better. But honestly, I'm also very, very stoked for 3 of my products in my BOXYCHARM. These 3 I'm super excited about. These lashes look really pretty. These 2 are just insane. The other 2 are good. I'm not mad at any of the products, but I think overall, I think IPSY gave me a little bit more excitement throughout. Like every product is interesting to me. So yeah, I'm actually like really impressed that I like both of these boxes so much, because you're bound to get some stuff you don't like. At any rate, so that is everything I got. Let me know which of these is your favorite, if you would prefer my Boxy or my IPSY, and if you got any of the same things. I am so excited for like trying all of this. I have so much new product to try that I need to be doing my makeup like 2 and 3 times a day, but I'm too lazy for that. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave a thumbs up if you like some unboxings. Like I said, be sure to check out my IPSY double unboxing for my creator box. I put that up on the 1st of the month. These two I paid for both of them, so just my honest opinions, nothing more. And yeah, that's it. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.